Demonyo, in your pleasant company by Chico on Managerial. And his tag team partner. They are Great Akuma and the Great Tiger together. They are the Great Ones.
Scares me.
Y'all some loyal fans. I love you guys for real. Rain, it don't matter. I love you guys. Because it's just water. And your winners of this contest are great ones. Make some noise, everybody. Hey, good night, the wrestlers.
give the crowd a standing round of applause. How about it for our crowd today? We do have to end the wrestling for tonight just due to potential lightning in the area. There's lightning to the south of us. We don't expect to have it hit us, but just out of precaution, we're going to let the wrestlers clear out, and the remaining matches for tonight will be canceled. We appreciate it. We'll leave the food trucks up until 8 o'clock. We'll let you, of course, sell drinks till 8.